Forgot your Apple account password? Or simply want to change it to something more secure? You don't need a computer to do it. You can change your Apple account password directly from your iPhone, and it only takes a few steps. Let's do it together. Start by opening Settings. At the very top, tap your Apple account, where you'll see your name along with options such as iCloud and your other account settings. Next, tap Sign In and Security. Under the Security section, look for Change Password and tap it. Before allowing you to create a new password, Apple needs to confirm your identity. If your iPhone uses Face ID, look at the screen to authenticate. If you use Touch ID, place your finger on the Touch ID sensor. And if you're not using either biometric option, you can enter your iPhone passcode when prompted. Once your identity has been verified, you'll be able to create your new Apple account password. Enter the new password, then enter it again to confirm it. Make sure you choose a strong password that you can remember and that meets Apple's requirements. Your password needs to be at least 8 characters long and include at least one number, one upperclass letter, and one lowerclass letter. Once everything looks correct, tap Continue. Your Apple account password will then be updated. From that point forward, whenever you need to sign in to your Apple account, use the new password. And that's it. You can change your password directly from your iPhone without needing a computer. If this tutorial helped you, give it a like, share it with someone who might need it, and subscribe to the channel for more simple iPhone tutorials and useful tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.